Hello everyone, I'm Vikramaditya here and welcome to SOFTECH. In this session, we're going to discuss about the SAP S4 HANA 2408 latest updates. There are very exciting features that we have here which are very much integrated with AI. So this is going to be very interesting and do watch this video till the end. I would like to highlight is the improved productivity with AI, artificial intelligence. So the latest AI innovations of SAP S4 HANA Public Edition are redefining the way business operates. With embedded AI capabilities, companies can now streamline operations, make data-driven decisions, and ultimately drive growth and success in today's competitive market. SAP embraces the future of business with the state-of-art AI innovations. SAP's AI Copilot Joel enables users to express their business needs in natural language and supports with answers based on SAP Help Portal documentation, with fast navigation to applications and with role-based insights on business objects. The AI assisted easy filter and AI assisted smart summarization features in SAP Fiori enhance the user experience for business users, and these features allow for efficient natural language filtering of business data and seamless summarization capabilities, enabling users to quickly extract relevant information and jumpstart subsequent collaboration. This leads to faster decision making, improved productivity, and more effective communication across the teams. You can see the screen of managing the sales order in the Fiori application. So the features that we have in the latest version will allow us for efficient natural language filtering of business data and seamless summarization capabilities. Now, if you can see here on the right side, you have blogged, non-blogged, you can see it very clearly. So, and users can quickly extract relevant information and jumpstart to subsequent collaborations. This leads to faster decision making, improved productivity, and more effective communication across the teams. On the sales order, and I just would like to see the summary. I can quickly see the summary order summary, and I can see all the important details here, and I can make a decision based on this. The intelligent resource matching reduces the time to find skilled resources by providing advanced skill matching. Leverage generative AI enables faster analysis and understanding of cost-centered data, facilitating quicker insights and more informed decision making. So this is more modern and collaborative, and the user experience also is more enhanced now. And the update is set to transform the way users work with user experiences enhancements, enabling direct access to important applications and intelligent decision making features. Notifications to do's in Microsoft Teams allow direct action on workflow items. So you can just say there is a pop-up, say submit decision, and you selected approve and approved, thanks, that's it, and click on submit. So this is something which we can do from Teams as well. So this will allow direct action on workflow items, saving time and reducing the need to switch between the applications. So with the share as authenticated adaptive card-based loop component, users can collaborate with colleagues directly from any application and share live information using Microsoft Loop components. Cards can be copied between Microsoft applications. For example, from Microsoft Teams to say Microsoft Outlook. So the Microsoft Copilot integration for SAP S4 HANA Cloud Public Edition in combination with share as authenticated card based loop component enables users to collaborate, share live data, and access business data directly from their daily applications and activities. That the Copilot is being accessed. So through the Copilot, I'm able to see all these details of the sales order. And quickly I can see what is happening here. This is because of the integration with the Microsoft 365, and 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 we can share the live data from here. So this is what we are able to see, the live data here. So it's a combination which share as authenticated card based loop components, enables users to collaborate, share live data, and access business data directly from their daily applications and activities. Updates to My Home. It includes enhanced workflow relevant information and in-place actions for daily tasks, an intelligent home page experience to boost productivity, intelligent app recommendations, and pre-delivered cards for new cloud customers. The updates allow business users to execute their tasks in My Home with speed and precision. Like to also mention about the mobile start. The SAP mobile start allows direct access to the most important applications on the start screen itself with application favorites, displaying SAP Analytics Cloud KPIs as monitoring tiles and widgets, and managing to-do attachments to support the decision-making process. It on the concept of intelligent and sustainable finance. Propel a business towards a more intelligent and sustainable future with the latest finance enhancements, providing tools to achieve transparency, analyze financial data, and streamline processes to improve our business performance. The cost center uh, uh, review provides overhead cost accounts with transparent cost centers reporting, enabling daily analysis of actuals, planned data, commitments, and statistical key figures in one report. With the ability to switch between guide views and adaptable slicing, dicing, and pivoting based on business needs. So the service profitability review booklet provides an interactive and comprehensive view of the financial KPIs related to service profitability. Profitability booklet, review booklet. It provides an interactive and comprehensive view of the financial KPIs related to service profitability. Manage operating GL accounts. This application streamlines processes and increases performance with a modern SAP Fiori application, providing a user-friendly interface and efficient workflows that enhance overall productivity and accuracy in managing general ledger accounts. Powering service-centric companies. So the latest update for service-centric companies support a business growth and improve operational effectiveness. Professional services companies can implement and automate a new business model in which they can negotiate a shared risk approach with their clients. This leads to more accurate real-time profitability and reduces the need for manual effort when a lower cost rate is negotiated for additional work. We're going to discuss about automating recommendations and simplifying the sales order process. So, as a part of the modern order management journey, it improves efficiency of internal sales representatives. This reduces administrative efforts and provides seamless support for business users in their daily work. So by leveraging advanced solution building in solution orders, business can facilitate the transition from selling products to higher margin services and solutions using predefined configurable bundle products which consists of various components in one order. Now we've got the changeable sales order for solution orders, provides flexibility in defining business roles through segregation of duties for solution order capturing and sales order fulfillment, improving business user productivity. Additionally, rate plan section in solution orders. minimizes the subscription master data requires to accommodate the variations of a subscription business model. In this session and being part of me, thanks for your time. Check out our part 2, it will be more interesting, and do share it with your friends and colleagues, whoever might need that. And wish you all a very great day. And if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to our channel. That's a motivation to us. Thank you so much. Bye.